ang aking analysis. Okay,
Babase lang po kami sa evidence po. At
okay,
saka kung
based
ano
on the
nasa
evidence,
records.
tama.
Opo.
So, Madam Chair, finally, for my last question, kung wala po kayong nakitang anomalya o red flag sa inyong opisina, wala po sana kayo dito, no? Tama po, as you have indicated earlier. Ang inyong pagpunta po dito at pagsumite ng mga dokumento ay patunay na may red flag indicators. Would that be correct?
Meron pong mga
Red flag indicators.
STR, CTR.
And the documents that were subpoenaed by this committee ay meron pong mga red flag indicators. As you have explained earlier, no? Na yung transaction is very suspicious, no? Yun nga, would you confirm also that these red flag indicators covers now the respondents that we are being that is now being heard by this committee?
Tama po.
Tama. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Any other member who wish to raise clarificatory questions?
Madam Chair. Madam Chair.
The Honorable Suntay and then the Honorable Marcoleta.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Through the AMLA,